What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Dave's adventures in cooking. Got to be brave.
Hello Internet land and Internet fans, welcome back to Dave's Adventures in Cooking. Today, we're making kebab. Kebab is just another word for meat and vegetables on a stick. So the first step to making kebab, a good kebab, is to cook the meat. I've got some meatballs and some sliced chicken ready to go. Just going to fry them up in a little bit of oil on a medium heat. Alright, now in case you hadn't already figured this out, kebabs are pretty easy to make. You don't even necessarily have to cook things, although that's what I'm doing. You just stick stuff on a stick. So I've got my kebabs spears prepared. Skewers, some people call them. I've got my meat prepared, and all that's left is to put the meat on the stick. Well, there it is, folks. Kebabs, or meat on a stick. I know this may seem to some of you like a cheap cop-out for an episode, but I'm getting into more summery recipes as the summer rolls on, and I thought this is a nice, light way to make a meal. Try it yourself, and be creative with what you stick on the stick. Shouldn't be limited to what just I have to offer here. You can stick all sorts of things on a stick and call it a meal, so... be creative. Let me know what you like to have on your kebabs. Maybe send some suggestions for new recipes you'd like to see me try. And happy cooking, everybody. I'll have another interesting, possibly more complicated recipe next week. But for now, let's enjoy and have some kebab. Happy cooking.